Hi y'all, so it's so good to be back. I think we're going to finally just slow down here a bit. Our family has been traveling all summer and my scrap time has been very little. We have one more trip and then after that I think the year we're just gonna slow down a bit. Anyway, I am a huge summer gal, but luckily I live in a place where summer likes to stick around a little bit and the fall I mean, we do have some leaves changing colors and stuff, but we don't just go right into fall. It just kind of gradually goes into fall, and I'm okay with that. But since we're not doing any more summer things, it's time to put all the summer things away. So here's the thing. I thought that I had a lot of fall things because my family, we celebrate fall more and then we do Halloween. I did dress up my little girl last year, but this year she's not liking it. She's made up her mind on her own that she's just not really liking Halloween. You know, that's fine with me. We're more of like celebrating the season and fall and autumn and the harvest and things like that. And so I thought that I had quite a bit of autumn supplies, and I don't. I have some leftover things, and I have them here in this little container here. Leftover stuff that I had bought in over the years of fall. But other than that, like as far as wallpapers, I didn't really have any. And then I think in my stash I had a few stickers and things like that. But other than that, I had to get this paper from Echo Park. It's called A Perfect Autumn by Lori Whitlock. And this is their cut apart, and it's a 4x6 cut apart. And I used this paper to pull out papers from my stash to make a fall kit because I just said I don't have a lot of fall things, and that is real surprising to me. I think last year I went into this Project Life marathon that I just ran out of supplies and didn't make note to buy new ones. Yeah, this is all I have in my stash that, you know, resembles fall. And after this year, I'm giving myself permission to go craft happy and buy all the fall things. Okay, anyway, so this is what this video is about. I'm going to show you my fall DIY kit. So here we have a mix of traditional layouts. It could be 12 by 12, 8.5 by 11, 9 by 12, 6 by 12, whatever, just not Project Life papers for that. And then I have Project Life cards from my stash. First things first, I am going to do the papers. Like I said, I bought this at a local scrapbook store. And then I went into my paper stash and pulled out colors that I think would match really good. So here I have this Maggie Holmes paper, and this is one of her first collections that she did for American Crafts, and I thought that went well with the blues here. It's not the exact shade, but it's around that same color. And the reason why I picked it out was because it has doilies and the details here have a little bit of lace, and so I thought that went well. Here I have this pink fresh paper, and this one is Transform from the Escape the Ordinary collection, and I got it for this side. This is the B side, not my favorite. And this I got from a Hip Kit Club from last September? November? Not sure. But the yellow goes really good. So it's kind of got a watercolor, so when you do watercolor or anything like that, you get actually a range of shades, so it goes in there really well. Some vellum here. This is by Maggie Holmes, the same collection, also for those blues, pull out those blues. It's good to have vellum in your kit. Here I have another one by Maggie Holmes. This is a graph paper. I thought the lines go really well. There's some red in here and a little bit of gray. Even though this is white, I thought this was good for a distressed look, for that fall, deeper look. Here is an old paper. Oh my goodness. I think this is from Hobby Lobby. It's quite thin, so it must be their single sheets that they sell. This is so old that I don't remember when I bought it. But this shade is quite good match, and so I got that. Here I just got some plain cardstock. I usually don't have any plain cardstock in my kits, but I thought it would be good to put it in here. You know, maybe I'll use this for a cut file or something. And then another green, blue-green. This is also by Maggie Holmes, the same collection. And I thought that was a cute little pattern, deeper color there. And then this was something from my scrap stash of papers that I have. This is kind of fun, you know, just in case we have something like that. And then this orange goes really well with that orange, and it's got a bit of a orange detail, but it's more like of a burnt orange detail, so that goes good as well. So that's that for the 12 by 12 papers. My project life. Here, most of these are from Simple Stories, either from the the Daily Grind, or the Family collection. Daily Grind. And these cards also I pulled out what would go well with this paper here. There's a lot of family in here because, like I said, we do a lot of family things in the fall. Go to the pumpkin patch.
So you can see how it just goes well with this page.
I think mostly all of these are from the family pack there. And this one's from the Daily Grind, but I think I got it mostly for, yeah, mostly for that side.
This is from, where is this from? This is not Simple Stories. Is this Basic Gray?
I want to say this is Basic Gray. This is crepe paper. This is crepe paper. These are pretty old, like I said, they're from my stash. Maggie Holmes. This is from the Legacy Simple Stories. Really love the florals. So cute, and that floral pattern, really nice. Like that. Daily Grind, November, October. And here we just have some from the family one. I like this. Okay. Alright, so that's for the paper. For all the embellishing and ephemera and the stickers and all those goodies. Alright, so here I got this from Hobby Lobby. I showed this in my last haul, I think, and they're just wood veneer leaves. I really like the details. This was found in the kids craft section where they have like the foam and but the seasonal kids craft section, and yeah, I really like the colors. So that was new that I got from for this year. This is just any loose ephemera that I picked out that would go well with my papers.
A lot from the from the family collection. Yep. And then we have that.
And then these are scraps from last year. And so I had a lot of this paper. Then I have these stickers here. These are so old. I don't remember when I bought these. Hayride, apple picking, apple cider. You know, I've never really drank apple cider. No, I take that back. Yes, I have in Iowa. But that was just last year. Other than that, I hadn't had it. Some labels here. These are from Heidi Swap. I just had these left, and these go well with that color there. Really large label. If you notice, there's I pulled out a whole bunch of labels, and I want to say this is from the Office Suite. I know that's what the collection's called, but who it's from, I don't know. I want to say Fancy Pants, but it's craft paper with black outline or black details, and I'm gonna use these as my labels, or it's got some tabs in there. Okay, back to this. Okay, here most of this ephemera is from Jen Hatfield.
I got this maybe 2 months ago. So cute. The flowers are real pretty. Really like that orange, shade of orange. Look at the fox! My goodness, pine cone, more florals. That's nice. Teapot, lantern, home. There's some foil here. It's like a bronze. I like that.
And then these doilies are from Michael's and these are from my stash. They're not craft, but kind of have like that recycling feel to it. You know, that recycled paper? Smaller pieces, I like to put them in here flat so they won't get lost. And they're either from the Jen Hadfield, same from that collection, or I can't remember where this is from. Actually, I think I got this at a pocket letter. I thought, perfect, it's brown and it's tan, so I can use that for the month or something, you know? Family, hello, home. One of those tin coffee mugs. That's cute. Oh, that's cute. Foiled leaf, and this is a label from a long time ago. It's the last one I have left, so I hope to use that up. And then this little container here, I have bits from my stash that I pulled out because, like I said, I did dress up my little girl last year for Halloween, so I did pick this little corner here has only Halloween things. It's not very much, that's all I got. Just some bright orange little punched hearts, a purple and black button, a purple brad, and some black and orange twine. And then here I have a little gold bow, some paper scraps that have kind of that black and white gingham, these little pumpkins that I picked up from the Target dollar spot, some wood veneer, there's a coffee, love, and some glasses. Some black leaves there, some brown gems, and these are brown butterflies. Some brads in fall colors. There's leaves in orange and red. Some leaves that are gold and red. This stamped heart, that's not really a fall thing, but it goes well with this heart, and this is from it's a Maggie Holmes collection. I want to say it's not Flourish, the one before it. And these are some circle stickers that I have left over from a seasonal sticker pack from Hobby Lobby. And some twine in a shade of yellow orange that I thought would go well. So that's what's in that container. So normally I will use stickers for titles because it's just easier when I do traditional layouts. But I have quite a bit of alphas, and so I want to use alphas up this month. So here I have some craft colored alphas. Those are from Joann's. These are so old. I know I mentioned this last year in my fall layouts that my husband got these from scrapbook.com. Oh my goodness, back in maybe 2007. So hopefully they still stick. And some fall colors there. Here, these are from Michael's, and these are actually in their planner section. Some orange, a deep teal there, or turquoise. Some gold foil ones. These are from the Target dollar spot before it was known the Target dollar spot, I think, at least in social media. And these are in a maroon type color. There's not a lot of them, and I think that's why I don't grab them much, but hopefully I could spell out maybe some smaller words with that. These were $1. These are some wood paper alphas. I have quite a bit of them, so I'm trying to use these up. These from a recent haul. Meadow. Boo. These are orange glittered. And then this is called Doily. That's interesting. Doesn't look anything like a doily. But it's not red. I put this in my red category, but it's kind of like a red-orange. More of a in the orange side. It's kind of fall, you know? So I picked those out. And then for stickers, which I love. Paper and stickers. I buy a lot of. Here, Heidi Swap. The teal goes with, you know, that Trek there. The colors that are in there. Hobby Lobby, these are just some clear stickers, fall sayings. I've had those for a while, so I'm hoping to use those up. These are for me and my big ideas. Got these at Michael's. I used these a lot in my last year's fall layouts, and I really like them. They're real nice. Alright, this was given to me, So I don't know how old this is. 2004. Wow. Paper Bliss. Have y'all ever heard of that company? Alright, anyway. This is from the... So nice. And you know, I thought it was so odd because if you have seen the papers, when I saw this, I loved it. But I don't think it went so good with the rest of the kit, which is really odd because the Hip Kit Club is really good at coordinating things. So, I mean, I love it, but I just didn't think it went well with the kit. So I have this out. It's not with my Hip Kit Club bag. So, but anyways, that. This I got, did I get this last year? This is from Hobby Lobby. This is from the Snap Life Documented thing. Anyways, some really deeper colors that remind me of fall are in there. The seasonal chit chat, tiny words. And then this is a family paper stickers from Mambi Sticks. Just pulled that out there just because, not so much because of the colors, but just more for the sayings, quotes and stuff, because like I said, we do a lot of family things. Alright, let me put this all nice and see how this really all goes, because I pulled so many things out, and besides the paper and the thickers, I was like, is this all gonna go? Just because it's fall theme, does that mean it's all gonna go? But other than that, it's actually looking like it goes really, really well. So I'm going to make it all nice and pretty, take a picture of it, and y'all tell me what you think in the comments below. I hope you enjoy this. I know this is kind of long, but usually these videos are just because we're showing you all the supplies. I hope you enjoy these videos though, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!